Visit during winters. Trust me, it's really beautiful. You can see here. It looks so good, and I'm really enjoying it right now.
Are unique, I would say, and I think it's really beautiful. That's what I could say.
Enjoyed a lot, enjoying the cold and hoping to see much more around here. This was a really good experience.
What's your good name?
My name is Rishit Koradia. I'm from Gujarat.
Okay, we wanted to know about your experience coming to Drung and tell us about your experience.
So this was the first time I came to a place with so much of ice, and this, seeing so much of ice, this waterfall was a really mesmerizing experience, and we enjoyed hoping to see much more around here. This was a really good experience.
Were you expecting to see such kind of beauty? जो आप देखा आपने ये frozen है, lake, this waterfall is frozen, and those frozen steaks.
So that's the best part that got us here. We checked with few of our friends, and this was something they told us to must go. So considering that they asked to check whether if it's frozen only then it's worth the visit. So we checked with the locals, and they said it's frozen and it's a must visit right now.
Rashmi,
Rashmi, you're from
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
So you're here in Drung. So tell us about your experience about this place.
Well, so far it's been good. I mean, the place is awesome, amazing. Although it's very cold, no doubt on that. But it's a beautiful place.
It's for the first time you have seen a frozen thing like this.
Yes.
So tell us about your experience. पहली बार जब देखा ये तो कैसा लगा आपको?
It's actually quite beautiful. Natures are unique, I would say, and I think it's really beautiful. That's what I can say, because it's my first time seeing it, honestly. We just arrived, to be honest. I mean, with my partner. So yeah, it's good.
Everything frozen.
Yes, on the way itself, there are a lot of places where it was all frozen up with the water,
How many
the ice.
places you visited so far?
We went to Pahalgam, Gulmarg. Where else? Yeah, those are two places.